Is your credit report costing you opportunities? Discover how to fix errors like a pro and protect your financial future. Your credit report isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. But what if errors are dragging it down? Don't let mistakes hold you back. Start by pulling a free copy of your report from trusted sources like annualcreditreport.com. Comb through every detail, names, accounts, balances, because even small errors can impact your credit score. Found something wrong? Document it. Write a clear dispute letter, attach evidence, and send it to the credit bureau. Follow up diligently, as they have 30 days to investigate. If the issue isn't resolved, escalate it by contacting the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Remember, this isn't just about numbers. It's about reclaiming control over your financial journey. With patience and persistence, you can fix errors and unlock opportunities that a solid credit report brings. Take charge of your future today.